What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Black Sheep Family TV. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, be down with the gang. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. So those links will be down in the description. Also, I have a beauty channel that will be linked down in the description. Jay's Place, which is the husband channel. The hubby channel. It will be linked down in the description. Blacksheepbeauty.com will be linked down in the description as well. So yeah, also share me out Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. You know, if you like me, somebody else might like me, so share me out. Helps the channel out, and thumbs up this video. Okay, so I'm finally gonna do my motivational clean my refrigerator, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all before y'all come for me in the comments, I'm not cleaning the freezer because I just don't know who even cleans the freezer, and the freezer's not dirty. But this refrigerator though, sis, this refrigerator is dirty. So I'm glad y'all can't really just hear the song since Jay wanna be outside putting in sound and disturbing my whole video aura in here. I'm just saying. So go ahead, grab you some popcorn, have a seat, or get up. Maybe this will motivate you to clean up. So go ahead and pull up on your girl, pull up in your own refrigerator or your house, whatever you need this motivational video for, and stay tuned. So if it's something you're interested in watching, go ahead and watch it. Don't forget thumbs up, because if you made it this far, and you might as well subscribe too. You made it this far. I got on my red, so you go ahead and subscribe. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the disaster of the refrigerator. Also, before y'all come for me in the comments, before y'all GPS me, the people that ain't supporters are just gonna come over here and have something negative to say because you don't have nothing else better to do in your life, because your life is miserable, because your life is sad. I didn't just go ham on stocking up the refrigerator because I knew I was gonna do this video. So yeah. So later on, either I don't know when the haul of us going to Walmart is going to be up, but y'all know I'm gonna take y'all with me to Walmart and stuff like that. So yeah. I'm just gonna take everything out. That's how I clean my refrigerator. I don't know how other people clean their refrigerators, but I take everything out. I'm gonna move you guys back so y'all can see more of the refrigerator, or all of the refrigerator. I think that's everything. That's everything, but I think this last thing, y'all get the point. Y'all get the drill. I told y'all a lot. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out, and I'm gonna check the dates to make sure. Maybe to help if I step back. But I'm gonna take everything out and check the dates to make sure everything is even still good. So I'm gonna throw out some stuff. I know y'all, we just keep buying cheese on cheese. I'm just gonna throw it away because we don't even use it. So yeah, let me take out everything again. I check the dates. Oh yeah, and these are two different mustards. I like this one, Jay like this one. It looks like that's old. Don't know why we have two meals. One looks done and one looks new. So, Juju medicine that needs a refill. I don't even know why this is in there. So yeah, this stuff normally don't take long. It's just a matter of doing it. And if y'all watch my motivational car clean with me, y'all know Jay putting in the sound. I wonder if this shit is even good. I wonder if this is even good, y'all. I really want. Hold on. All right, y'all. I think those were worms or something like that he say it's not good. I don't know. It's actually not too bad, y'all. I'm Juice. Y'all know if y'all have to clean out the refrigerator, y'all don't be want to do a lot. I don't be want to do a lot. Jay got this from somebody that makes their own wine. They didn't pay us for this promotion, but in case y'all are curious, I don't know if it's good or not, but Jay kept it from somebody he got the sound from. Milk, October. Yeah, October not here yet, so this is still gonna be good. Y'all know these are the boys' juices. Also, I'm glad that y'all can't hear no music and it's just a beat, because he really had me over here getting demonetized. But these are the two that I use. And excuse my nails, it just won't come off, y'all. But this one's almost out, so I'm using the rest of this and this one. Also not paid for. It's just they were like $12 for a pack of them, so why not? And if y'all wondering, we're making tacos, or I'm making tacos tonight. It ain't Tuesday, but it's a taco night. These are candy store grapes. Juju love grapes. I don't know if they're any good. These are dang the raisins. Yeah, Juju was like me as a kid. I love healthy stuff. When I was coming up, I'm running out table space, y'all. Let me hurry up and get this out of here. Dude, you never know how much crap you have in your refrigerator until you start cleaning it. I know this is bad. June of 19, y'all. Really? So I'm just letting it go down the sink. That way it won't be sitting in my trash can spoiled. This is more than likely flat. This is all that's left, so that's going to trash. Vegetables. They always be letting them eat crackers, and they never finish a thing of them. So if y'all see my car, those are the crackers that Jay let them eat, and they eat like 2 of them to 5 of them, and then they turn around and just smash them all up and throw them everywhere. Yeah, kids. So now I'm just getting the crackers and the tops and stuff like that out the refrigerator. Y'all, I don't care. I know this is still good because butter make everything taste better, and I'm always buying butter. I put butter in everything. This is applesauce for the boys. A strawberry jelly. I don't know if it's the one that they just bought or not. It's cheese. That's good. Yeah, this. Like, y'all, I was trying to figure out what wine I like. This was nasty. I'm so glad that I waited to start the dishwasher, and I didn't start the dishwasher before I cleaned the refrigerator. This is just J. Coke, so I have to take that out. Okay, so this is the part of the video where I'm start cleaning out the refrigerator. I was gonna check the dates and everything to make sure that everything was good, but I think that'll make more sense to clean out the refrigerator and then check the dates, and whatever is good to go in can go in. But then I was gonna check the dates and be like, now I know it can go in. I just throw everything in there, but I'm gonna clean it first because I know that's what y'all here for. And I hope y'all liking this content. I'm just gonna use this one because it's already full and I like what it smells like. But it's not gonna go out on me. So yeah, I'm finna clean this out and put on some music, and then we're gonna check the dates and be through with this. Alright, y'all, so I'm fit to clean out these little bins that go on the bottom of my refrigerator. And I'm trying to bring y'all up, but yeah. And after that, we're gonna go through the dates and stuff like that. Then the refrigerator will be clean. Alright, y'all, so now it's time for me to, all this crap right here, put it back in the refrigerator. I know this is good, because this expires October the 4th. The Coke y'all can't see. Okay, also, the ground beef. All that's going at the bottom. We're gonna grab this hot seed, all this water that I need to be drinking. Okay, so now we're looking at dates. I know this is still good because we just got this. Yeah, my kids do not like Jello. January 2020. These are fruits that I normally get because the boys don't like. February 2020. And December 1900 to eat just before Christmas. So I'm just checking the dates on stuff that I know that I want to eat sometime soon and throwing it back in the refrigerator. All this is 2020. This is just something that I want to have a healthy snack. Wow, I'm gonna these out the box. Make honey. So those are still good. This little thing is so cheap, y'all. You know this is good because it makes the taste everything better. But I'll make it taste better. But I'll make it taste better. These are still good. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna throw this away. I forgot about this. These are beans. Okay. So I'll throw the whole thing away now. Put these in the refrigerator. Y'all drop it down in the comments what's y'all favorite water. This is my favorite water. This is my second favorite. But this is my favorite. when you drink water like you're supposed to, which is like 8, what is it? 8 glasses of water a day or whatever. And I could drink 2 of those and have the water a day I'm supposed to have, but I'm trying to get to a point where I can have a gallon. This really don't got nothing in it, so I'm gonna throw it away. This got a little bit more in it. And I'm gonna keep it. I know they ain't gonna get lost because that's jelly. Yeah, I know. I like this. Or the jam, or the preserve. I don't even see that on here. Oh, my bad, y'all. I know y'all how they do it. We look at your dishwasher full of crap. These are just towels that I use to wipe stuff up with. I gotta still wipe this table. I'm just kind of new here. These are still good. It's like little beanie weenies, but the girl kind with no preservatives in it. I know they like it. November 19th, this is still good. I just got this. I know that's still good. Like Julian be telling me, it's gonna make it out a little bit better. This says December 2018. Wow. Hope nobody was eating that, because they probably would have about died. This is September the 17th, 2019. I need to buy some more of this because today is September the 19th. So this expired like 2 days ago. So this is why it's good to extra clean out your refrigerator. Like some people do it once a week, some people do it once a month. I know this is bad. This is April. We haven't made hot dogs in a while, so nobody's getting sick. This was April 19. That's been bad a long time ago. This is the Whataburger ketchup, but I think this is still good because we just got it. Yeah, 2021. This is, they are black lid, but they still print it the same way. This is 2021 too. I can't believe this stuff expired like last year, y'all. This is 2020, April 2020. I would still throw it away, but I guess I keep it. Just hurry up and use it. This is November 2021. This is the best like Walmart brand stuff. Walmart brand sauce for spaghetti. This is November 16, 2020. And I use garlic and taco ground beef, spaghetti ground beef. Like I need to buy a big one of these to quit being cheap. Or do I even see them in Walmart? I be like, I ain't gonna use it like that, and I end up using it like that. Tell me who, like, people that eat hot sauce, like, I know I'm ghetto or whatever, ghetto bourgeois or whatever, but like, yeah, I've been to somebody's house today. They hot sauce just don't ever have a top to it. Like, I know I ain't the only one that don't ever have a top to my hot sauce. I know I ain't. I don't even know when this gonna bad, y'all. I don't see it. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator because I think hot sauce ain't good for a good minute. I think this is still good because I was looking at it with Jay. Yeah, February 23rd, 20. This is probably bad. Sounds like something cooking I never do. August 17th, 2019. Bad. This is still good because I just took some of this. I think this is still good. Even though we don't drink it. This is Julian medicine. I'm just going, well, I'll probably keep it and try to refill. Do we have refill on it? But I'm still gonna keep it so I can show the doctor what he actually takes. This has gotta be still good. Yep, 2021. I ain't waste my time showing y'all that one because I don't care for it. And if I don't like it, I'm not gonna sit here and refer it to y'all. I'm actually pretty much done. We just got these like 2 days ago. That Walmart vlog should be up by the time y'all see this. March 21, 2020. Alright y'all, so somebody called and decided to interrupt my video, but it's that time that we have to go with the boys. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. This is what the refrigerator look like. Turn it around. So this is a more sturdy view. I put my water there, my fruit there. They put in cups, Jello. These are good to October 25th. I know y'all didn't see me put them in there. Y'all seen that. This is what we're eating for dinner. Now we can stock it up with groceries, because everything is nice and clean. Alright y'all, so that was my clean with me video. I finally cleaned out my refrigerator. It wasn't as dirty as I thought it was. Like, I've been dreading and putting out for absolutely nothing. It took me all of 15-20 minutes to clean out, and it's taking everything out, cleaning it, checking the dates and all that stuff. But I hope this video was motivational for someone to actually get up and clean up that refrigerator, and don't be like me. Do as I say, not as I do, like your parents used to tell you. See you guys on the next video. Be blessed. Peace.